that base.
Your attention, please.
So let me give you guys a quick rundown on what we've done in the last 20 minutes or so. After Indy, we got off and we did the Jungle Cruise, and that was probably the funniest guy we've ever had. And you know what? It's not great footage, but I have a little bit. And you guys just tell me what you guys think.
If you have a look right over here on your right-hand side, you're going to see the beautiful and mysterious Temple of the Forbidden Eye. Now, Dr. Indiana Jones is deep within that temple right now, looking for the world's greatest treasure. Little does he know that I'm standing right here. Great Scott, would you look at that? That right there's a 500-pound Indo-Chinese tiger. Look at those gorgeous stripes, huh? What a great adaptation to prevent them from being spotted, right? Yeah. Right over here, you'll see some beautiful king cobras. You'll notice that they're swaying back and forth. Now, they only do that because they're the most indecisive animals in all the jungle. We're coming out here to this sacred Indian elephant bathing pool, and check out these lovely ladies, huh? Now, they really know how to get their day started. Look at this. They're getting nice and squeaky clean for the rest of their day. And look at how classy they are. They still got their trunks on. Oh man. Oh no, he's coming back up. He's coming back up, guys. Duck, 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 duck. These ones have very large ears. All the better to hear things with. Yeah. Like when his mother-in-law over here has to yell at him from across the way. Yeah. She will say some terrible things to him like... and... which is predominantly just a bunch of nagging. Get a job, bozo! Do the dishes! Those are some of her favorite ones. Look at this, they're wiggling their ears, they're blowing bubbles. That's a sure sign of aggression from these territorial animals. It looks like the two at the end are definitely not morning people. Oh boy, this is bad. Okay, everybody cover your ears. I'm gonna lull them back to sleep the way my dear sweet mother did for me. Close your eyes! I said get back in bed! Look at that, huh? Huh? Works every single time. You hear the natives right now? Oh, and they're already getting ready for all their arts and crafts today. I mean, look at those hats. They just made those hats the other day, and they're so nice. You know, when word gets around about those hats, the other tribesmen just go bananas, you know? They just like, woo, hats, and they start throwing things. Oh my goodness. Everyone take cover. Watch out for spears and sound effects. Spear, spear, we want hats. Spear. You know, the other skippers say that if you drop a line in the water, these fish come bounding out. Oh my goodness, look at that, those are piranhas. Man-eating piranhas everywhere. Quick, men, hide behind the women and children. Oh my goodness, look at that, that's a python in a tree. H-I-S-S-I-N-G. Now, coincidentally, you never want to have a relationship with one of those things, you know what I mean? Because they could develop a crush on you, and they get all wrapped up in the relationship. It's really constrictive. It's the story of my life. Now, coming around the corner, it looks like, yes, folks, yes, look at this, we did it! We just survived the world-famous Jungle Cruise! Oh, man, I can't believe we made it. Now, folks, if you have a look right over here to your left-hand side, you're going to see a dock. And if you have a look right over there to your right-hand side, you're going to see another dock. Now, we very lovingly call that a paradox, folks. And as we pull into that paradox, I'm going to need y'all to please remain seated, giving those hands, arms, legs, shoulders, knees and toes inside of the boat, until I let you know that it is safe to do otherwise. Now, this cruise has been brought to you by our brand new sponsors over at Buoyancy. That's right, folks, Buoyancy. They'd really float your boat. And, of course, by Animal Crackers. They make a great snack at any time of day, teaching children all over the world that all animals taste exactly the same. Delicious. And, of course, by the Derm Luggage Company. Whenever you need to pack for a long trip, don't forget to pack a Derm. Yes, indeed. Now, looks like we're just getting those boats out of our way. As soon as they are ready, they will be on their way. And we'll be having you outstanding folks, outstanding, in somebody else's line. Now, on behalf of all of us here at the Jungle Navigation Company, folks, please always remember that when you wish upon a star, all your hopes and all your dreams really can come true. Provided that you kept your standards incredibly low.
He was pretty funny, right? We enjoyed him. Like I said, I showed you guys some more footage, but it was all on the GoPro. It was really quick. Yeah. So then we headed over to Pirates. There was no line, so I just quickly ran up and it just would have been a bunch of that kind of footage if I tried to film us heading over, so that wasn't happening. Then we hit our fast pass with Haunted Mansion, and I'm horrible at filming Haunted Mansion, so I didn't even try. So now we're on the train, enjoying a nice little trip around Nature's Wonderland. That's all I can call it now, because this is gorgeous, and I love the newness, the new rock work, the new waterfalls, and all that stuff. So we're heading over to the Matterhorn. Hopefully we can get another good camera footage filming session.
There is the revered Indian shaman, sharing his stories with those in the great river valley below. People like you have been riding these rails since the 1800s, traveling through nature's wonderland in a matter of days, rather than the months it used to take by mule or stagecoach.
I will never get over the view. I mean, the old train was awesome and all, but this is one time that I think change was definitely better, because those rock works, the waterfalls, the new features, it's insane. I love watching it on the Mark Twain because of the beavers that are eating the bridge underneath. Anyways, we are back at Newtown Station, so we're going to have to run over to Matterhorn to catch our fast pass, so I'll see you guys on the Matterhorn, and that means it's GoPro time. Splashdown. Oh! Oh! Stuck on Space Mountain.
And then sad face. One more big smile, please.
Everybody lean! And picture! Nothing like getting stuck on space and getting to ride it again. So that's one benefit, is they will push you, you get down to the front, and then they will always ask if you want to ride again, which I've never been in a car that hasn't want to ride again. So we then booked it over to our lunch reservation at Cafe Orleans. So once our name is called, we'll check out some of their food options.
We do have a 15-minute window.
Oh, right. If you are ever late for a dining reservation, you have a 15-minute grace period.
Still call.
Still call, just to double check. But we called, because it was 11:30 when we got off space, because we got stuck on it. They said we had a 15-minute grace period to get to our dining reservation, so that's good to know. So anyways, once they call our name, we will get in and check out their food. Here's their starters. We're gonna get the frites and the soup. And then we're going to share the Monte Cristo. So I lied. We didn't get the soup because, well, they didn't have our soup. So anyways, we got the simple salad. And we got the potato frites or Pomeranian frites. It's fries. It's garlic fries. That's all it is. It's kind of like a honey mustard aioli sauce. It's really good. But we love these. It's enough for us to share. And then, yeah, we're just waiting for our Monte Cristo. We got the ham and cheese version. There's a 3 cheese one, but it's kind of bland and eh. But anyways, guys, if you've never had a Monte Cristo, it's pretty much a sandwich that's deep fried. It's just like fish and chips, deep fried batter. Comes with grapes. Oh, it comes with strawberries now. It never used to come with strawberries. This used to be grapes. And then this is just like a berry jam for it. It's really good because it kind of breaks up the richness of the grease of the sandwich, and then the compote kind of helps. But we've definitely had this before. We really enjoy it. And it makes too big of a mess to try to do it on camera. The Monte Cristo is absolutely delicious.
Hey, there was no fire.
There was no fire this time. Last time we ate there, we had the fire alarm go off. But anyways, Monte Cristo is good as always, but it's a little rough on my stomach because a couple years ago I had surgery, and yeah, that sandwich is a little too much for me, a little too heavy, but it's still delicious, and Ashley loves it. The pommes frites are always delicious, and we always struggle actually to finish those because that's probably one of the better deals in the park. It's $8 for that big old basket, and it's ginormous. I mean, it's better than going to a baseball game and paying $12 for a quarter of that. So we are now, we're now in Pooh Corner because I'm looking for Christmas presents, and my aunt is the biggest Winnie the Pooh fan in the world, and I have a great idea, but it's just finding it. Let's see if we can find it. More socks, more socks, more socks. But again, that's not what I'm looking for. I'm looking for, basically it's a stuffed animal that you put your PJs in. And we swore we saw it in here, but I have a feeling the guy she just mentioned, it's probably in DCA. Uh-oh, what's she showing here? What are they? Mellow creams. Are they just like marshmallows?
Yeah.
How much are they?
$7.50.
Huh. I like these little guys.
What are they?
I don't know. They're cool looking. Is that all it is like a wobbler?
No, where's stuff inside?
I don't care. They just wobble. That's kind of neat. Oh, hey. It's the same thing as the sipper cup. I mean, that's almost exactly like the sipper cup. Is it 20? Like everything else? Yes. Whew. I can't get it back in. Yeah, the new craze. Okay, so since we can't find it, I will eventually find it. Alright, let's go ride Winnie the Pooh before Thunder Mountain. Just no line for Splash. And it's actually warm. I'm surprised there's no line. But it's also not hot. It's comfortable. But when I'm seeing as wet as people are, I'm not tempted to ride it at all. Right here. Hey, did they ever get the Columbia up yesterday? And running? It was just the Mark Twain, right? They got them both going today. At least I just saw the Columbia go by. I don't want to do Splash. Because I just said why. Alright, 5-minute wait. Let's see if it's actually 5 minutes or if it's less. So there's no way it's more.
On Ridiculwood, a little bear named Winnie the Pooh set off in search of honey. Heffalumpa is very confusing. A Heffalumpa is very smart. They come in ones and twosles, but if they don't choose those, before your eyes you'll see them multiply. So be ready, because they calculate the shape and size. What a wonderful dream! Wake up!